Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, where you all are watching from. This is Suvarna coming live again from Germany, and we are having. It's extremely sorry. I want to apologize. I want to say sorry to all our viewers. It was bit late than the expected time because I was facing some technical difficulties. So I was working on it. In that process, we got 15-20 minutes late. So thank you so much for all your support and love in this journey, in this blissful journey. So, those who don't know me, I would like to introduce myself. I am Suvarna. I am staying in Cologne, Germany, past now 10 years with my two wonderful, handsome teenager boys with my family. And I am IT professional, IT teacher by profession, but now proud digital mentor and or business owner. Uh, I am helping people to set up their own successful digital businesses right from the scratch with necessary tools, training, guidance, and support. Today, I have invited a beautiful mompreneur and teenager mom like me. She's also having teenagers kids. So let's welcome her uh, on our page. So I would like to, first of all, I would like to say, Kruti, thank you so much for all your help, support, and patience today.
First of all, thank
And
you so much for inviting me, and thank you that you succeed in fixing that issue.
yeah, actually, I finally figured it out what was
Exactly.
the error. Yes.
Yes.
So, Kruti, let's start our life, and I know that your inspiring journey will be inspires so many people and the moms like us. So I would like to ask you the question. So the first question is, I know you definitely being working in the same community, but our audience do not know who is Kruti. So can you please introduce yourself?
Sure, sure. Thank you so much, first of all, having me here on your page with your audience. It's a great pleasure to be here. So, like she said, hello everyone. Again, thank you for watching us and those who are going to watch the replay. So, like she said, my name is Kruti Gandhi and I'm originally from Gujarat, India, and currently living in Halifax, Canada with my beautiful family, having two teenage children. So I'm a daughter, mom, wife, and basically by profession I'm a finance professional. And I worked over 11 years in project finance back in India. And my last designation in Canada, I was working in the government as a program admin officer for last couple of months and years. And now I am a happy, proud digital business owner.
Yes, that's wonderful. I love to hear. Oh, sorry, someone is calling. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can check it later. Okay, so I'd love your introduction, and I would like to ask the next question.
Sure.
Uh, do you have any fear or doubts before stepping into this venture? And if yes, how did you face it?
Of course. It's a lovely question, and I would really, like to answer these questions, especially targeting or keeping the people who are still sitting on the fence and who are still watching us, and they are not able to take the decision, right? Because
Or those who are interested, because
interested, but
I know
yes, as a
we all were there at that play time, like that place that where we looking for the opportunity,
of
and then
course,
how did we face
exactly,
that thing, the thoughts, and
yes,
we are today. We have our own success stories to share to the world.
sure.
But we all started at the first step.
Exactly, exactly. So, of course, skepticism hona, doubts hona, fears hona is very natural and it should be there. But just by just being skeptical or being doubtful or being in a fear is not the way to move ahead, right? So, having skepticism is okay, but how you turn your research, turn your skepticism, fear into research, and how to take a informed decision, that's the thing that makes you different from the crowd, right? So this is what I did. जब मैंने शुरू में join किया तब when I saw the ad something like that about this digital business, and I was so excited, and on the other side I was curious as well कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि how that lady can work from home along, while spending time, good quality time with her small children, and still she is making good income. सो ऑफ कोर्स डाउट्स बहुत सारे मन में आए. एक एक्साइटमेंट तो था ही कि हाँ, अगर ऐसा कुछ मिल जाए तो लाइक लाइफ में सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. सो बट ऑन द अदर साइड आई वॉज इवन हेजिटेट टू रीच आउट टू हर. बट फिर मुझे लगा कि देखो, अगर कुछ करना है, इफ आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज समथिंग इन माई करंट सिचुएशन, देन आई नीड टू टेक एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट स्टेप. So I showed my courage to reach out to her, and she was very positive. She explained me what the business is all about. बट उससे पहले पहले मैं बताऊंगी कि मेरे कितने कितने क्या क्या फियर्स और डाउट्स थे. सबसे पहले मुझे डाउट लगा, देखो, देखने के बाद अपेरेंटली सब कुछ बहुत लुक्रेटिव और अच्छा ही लगता है, बट उसके लिए बहुत, उसके साथ दूसरी और बहुत सारी चीजें जुड़ी होती है. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग केम इन टू माई माइंड इज वेदर इट इज लेजिटिमेट or
Not
not.
on.
And this
Yes.
is the number one check for any bucket list. जो भी
Yes.
आज देख रहा होगा
Absolutely.
सबके दिमाग में, and especially when we are talking about the online business.
Well,
So
yeah.
first thing that came into our mind is that whether it is real or fake, और पता नहीं कुछ fraud हो सकता है, scam हो सकता है, so many things, right? तो मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन वही था. दूसरा मेरा डाउट था कि it might be working for her but not for me. So what could be the option? दूसरा क्वेश्चन, तो दैट इज माई सेल्फ डाउट, जो मुझे अपने ऊपर डाउट कर रहा था,
You have
राइट.
to work on
और
yourself. Yeah.
यस, और थर्ड डाउट था मुझे कि हो सकता है कि जिस तरह से मुझे इस बिजनेस में लाने के लिए जो भी क्लेम कर रही है वो लेडी, इज इट दैट ट्रू? तो एक ट्रस्ट इश्यू था, एक सेल्फ डाउट था, और एक लेजिटिमेसी का इश्यू था. बट ऑल दिस आई हैव टर्न ऑल माई डाउट्स इनटू रिसर्च बाय कॉन्टेक्टिंग हर. आई रजिस्टर फॉर द वेबसाइट. I saw the webinar, live webinar replays भी मैंने देखे. After watching 3-4 webinars, again I reached out to her with another questions, another doubts, and we discussed thoroughly. And she suggested me to take the next step, and that is to watch. That is to take the trial period. That's the next phase of paid registration phase, where we usually give 30 days of trial period to look into the details, to go through the business model, where everything is open to you. The whole business model is open to you.
Yes. Yeah.
The same happened with me. I checked out the details. I took the 30-day trial period. I explored the business in more details. I studied the business model, the
Thoroughly.
compensation
Yeah.
plan, different different products, the right mix of product, what combination should be best for me to start this business, what are the other income streams in this business.
Strategies or schemes. Yeah.
Yes, बहुत सारा कुछ स्टडी करने के बाद then I came to a informed decision that this is something that I can do, and this is something for me, and this is something that I was looking for.
Wonderful. Wonderfully answered. So
Yes, yes,
beautifully.
and
That's what
that's
we
how I
always.
started. Yes.
That's what we always tell people, that see, you are doing the business, you are going to start the business, we are blessed, we to give you all the information, you do your own due diligence, study, research, and take a educated decision. And that's what I love about this venture, and that is why I'm here.
Yeah.
If, because everyone knows before stepping into this venture what are the things is
Yes.
there.
Nothing is
So
hidden from you. Everything
nothing is,
is very
yes,
transparent.
everything is crystal clear. You go through each information, then study everything, and then take an educated decision about it. And that is why. And we don't force anyone to join, we don't force, we don't recruit, we don't do anything. We
Yeah.
just present the information in front of you, take your time, go through it. If you like it, then you take an informed decision about it.
Yes.
So that is why, and we are proud to tell you that we are one of the biggest online community in the
Yes.
online world. uh, that's now more than 208K business partners working across the globe right now in this community from different parts of the world.
Yes, and that's also, without competing with each
without
other.
without without
No leg
competing
pulling, no
and
competition.
without we without we always helping each other. And
Yes.
this business venture, we don't convince anyone to join, we don't recruit anyone, we just give information. Everyone in this venture took their own educated decision to step into
Yeah.
this, and that's what I love about it. And
Hmm.
I love this community, and I love all the way people are helping out
Yeah.
each other. You will be amazed to see that once
Yes,
you
yes, yes,
come into
yes.
it. Okay, now the next question is, how can this business help to achieve work life balance to everyone in this community?
Again, it's a good question, and this is
Yeah.
my biggest why I joined this business. It's just to create a work-life balance because, as I said earlier, that I was working in corporate for over a decade,
Hmm.
13 years to be more precise. So it's a long, long, long time I was in corporate culture, and I know the struggles, the challenges I was facing every day and night, and इस बिजनेस की बात करते हैं तो आई कैन से दैट देर आर सो मेनी फीचर्स, देर आर सो मेनी अट्रैक्शंस अबाउट दिस बिजनेस, बट जो वर्क लाइफ अचीव हम कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं तो क्रेडिट गोज टू फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, बट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑटोमेशन ऑफ दिस बिजनेस.
Hmm.
क्योंकि जो बिजनेस जिस तरह से ऑटोमेशन पर चलता है दैट गिव्स अस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड दैट अलाउज अस टू अचीव द वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. कैसे ऑटोमेशन पे काम करता है, आई टेल यू कि बहुत सारे आप कोई भी जॉब प्रोफेशन और बिजनेस ले लो, देर आर सो मेनी रिपीटेटिव टास्क दैट नीड्स टू बी डन ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस ऑन अ सर्टेन इंटरवल, राइट. इस बिजनेस में भी ऐसे काफी सारे रूटीन एक्टिविटीज होती है कि जो हमें रेगुलर बेसिस पे करनी पड़ती है, बट हियर द ऑटोमेशन इज डिजाइंड इन सच अ वे दैट इट नीड्स टू बी टेकन, इट्स टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय
System.
without having you online, or it works on behalf of you, it interacts on behalf of you with the client, even if you are offline, even if you are away with your family, you are enjoying somewhere, maybe your vacations, or you are with your loved ones. कहीं से भी आप कहीं पे भी होते हो, बट आपका बिजनेस बैकएंड में काम करता है जस्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यू. So that's
That's
the main thing, and that gives you the flexibility
like,
and to be around with your family, not just physically but emotionally as well. क्योंकि आपको बैक एंड में ये टेंशन नहीं होता कि अरे मैं तो यहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट अबाउट माय बिजनेस, वहां पे कुछ मिस कर जाता हूँ, लाइक आई मे लूज सम अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई मे लूज सम क्लाइंट. ये टेंशन इस बिजनेस में नहीं है, बिकॉज एज लॉन्ग एज यू हैव डिसेंट इंटरनेट कनेक्शंस, you are still connected with the business.
yes. Thus,
So
proven automated system
yes,
is the blessing of this venture. And
yes.
that's only the reason this community is growing every single day. The people are succeeding every single day in this venture.
And
And
because of that you can do this, because of this automation you can do this business along with your full-time job, part-time
yes,
job, or without interrupting your other priorities during the day. आप
yeah,
अपनी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ के जो भी चैलेंजेस होते हैं उसको डिस्टर्ब किए बिना भी इस बिजनेस को रन कर सकते हो. नेवर एवर हिंडर्स योर डेली रूटीन और other other priorities or commitments. So
yes.
it's a really amazing thing in this business, and it's working for everyone.
Everyone, yeah. And we have, when you come to the community, you will come to know we have thousands and thousands and thousands of proof we can show you, in
Yes,
which you can, we have a proof that this business works with for everyone, and how the automated system is taking care of the things
exactly.
in the
and
background.
and here I also would like to add one more thing, that this automation that you don't need to learn, it starts
Yeah,
working
basically,
automatically, and that's why we always claim our business is a plug and play kind of system. You just
yeah.
have to enroll yourself, and the system is already in place, and as soon
Hmm.
as you join the business, it starts working for you,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
starts giving you results, it starts acting on behalf of you.
You.
So that's very amazing thing in this business. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And we all love this flexibility, and we all love this automation. No one can deny in this community for these two features.
Yeah,
Everyone
that's
can
true.
vouch.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah. How
Because
this
every other thing is being taken care of by this
yeah,
automation.
exactly.
No
Exactly.
matter you are out with your children, no matter you have some emergency, no matter your health issues, And this is the things that we usually face in our other traditional
Right.
businesses or our jobs as well.
Yeah, we need to be physically present there. Here, you don't.
Exactly.
You don't,
Yes.
because it's an internet-based business. So your physical presence is not required when automation system is taking care of everything in the background.
Yeah.
So how this business impacted your life so far, personal as well as professional?
First of all, I would say now no more appraisals, no more approvals, no
So
morning
much
rush hours,
relief. I can relate.
no more morning rush hours. My morning can be very relaxed, like weekends. So off days are not just limited to weekends. So
Absolutely.
many perks. These are the perks that they don't mention, but these are the perks that I am enjoying, and these are the things
Yeah.
that has changed my life, changed my routine, that I was continuing since so many years. It's very monotonous routine I was living,
Having. We
like
all
every
have.
day,
Many
no
have.
matter, yeah, no matter what the weather is, no matter how your health is, no matter what's going on in your family, you
Correct.
have to show up every day in the
Yes.
office, right?
Yes.
But
Yes.
now after joining this business, now I can value, or I can realize that how much time I have traded for that, fixed paychecks, I would say. And of course I missed, as I mentioned, ke mere teenage children, so I have missed so many milestones and so many great things that I was not able to witness, by being there available with them. But now I can have that privilege every day.
Yes. And I always say it's never too late.
Yes, it's never too late.
And we
Yeah.
are in a digital era, so the mom should go for
Yes.
such opportunities where we don't have to physically, mentally stress for everything. Some kind of automation should have in your life. And
Yeah.
especially with the immigrants, because this India, when we are in India, we get a lot of help, the lot of family support also, uh, for our kids, like grandmother, grandparents are there. But when we come in another country as an immigrant, we are the
Yeah.
one running around on toes everywhere with kids, with our health, with our kids' health. I mean, what for every small things, we are the only one for them.
Yes. Yeah. Challenges become multifold when you immigrate with your family,
Yeah.
because on the other side, you also have to maintain that culture, that roots
Yes.
and the traditions in your family, along with, like having the full-time job, or maybe sometimes we have to work for multiple jobs as well. So it was, and the only thing that we are missing or we have to compromise is just, is just giving time to our family. That the only thing where we can compromise, because other challenges remains
We cannot.
at other place, yeah, that we cannot avoid them. So this is the only thing that we can compromise, just by sacrificing our good moments, family time.
Yeah,
So
and then we are into that like of routine, and then it becomes
yes,
routine. And once, and when we are mentally, sometimes it's so exhausted mentally,
but I
physically.
believe that we all are, living in that guilt feeling, that we know
Yeah,
that in the back of the
we
mind
know
that
that
we are
we
not
need a
ready,
change, but we are scared to make that change. But
try to make change, and we have no other options unless and until, because unless and until I saw this ad, I was doing the same thing,
yeah, that's
right?
true.
I might be doing at the time, I'm maybe happy with the job,
Yeah, yeah,
because ultimately I needed a paycheck, right? So that's the bitter truth. But there is no other option, and unless and until I saw this ad, so I might be happy where I was.
yeah. And when we come across with such opportunities where you have a possibility that whatever paycheck we are getting in the end
Yes,
of the month, you can earn in a day.
that's
That
altogether a
time
different
the
story.
eyes
Yes,
gets open, and I said, "My goodness, how much time we missed with our family, with
yeah,
our loved ones." And
exactly.
if it's not now time to take the things in our hand, take the control of life in our hand to learn the things. The world is already going on a digital, and there is no internet based business is full swing right now.
Yes, yeah.
Then when we can, I mean, half of the world is already shifted. I mean, how the world
So
is
it's
already
it's just
shifted.
a matter of mindset that we have
Just
to
a matter of
shift. We have to
mindset.
shift our
Yeah.
thinking. Like there are some other options. then
Yes,
like working 9 to 5 is not the only option
only
to
option.
earn money. Yeah.
Exactly. Working 9 to 5 is not only the option, because in our community, we have so many examples who throw that resignation, and I
Yes,
love
we have so
to.
many job quitters every week we
Yes,
see
we
in
have,
our
and
stories. Yes.
Kruti will agree with this my statement. We have seen in our community the videos of people.
Yeah.
They are in tears. They are in a washroom and telling this, oh, we are given a resignation. What a relief. And we were, as a community, as a business owners, we were in almost in tears, looking at them coming live in the community and telling that, oh, I quit, boss. So it's such a huge
So in a
great.
way, they are claiming their time freedom. You know.
Yes, exactly, exactly. And we experience all these things every single day
Yeah.
with our community
True.
members. So
True.
it's indeed a blessing, and I feel blessed to be part of this amazing community who
Exactly.
never tired to help each other.
100%.
Tell three favorite features about this venture which you love the most. I know definitely the
There are more
flexibility.
than three.
And that, what else?
There are more than three.
Yeah,
Of
more
course,
than three. But yeah, I want you to tell the more, means the not the previous one. Tell something different, because we all love the flexibility
sure,
and automation.
sure. सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज और मेंशन करना चाहूंगी जो बाकी लोग नहीं करते और मुझे ये चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि दिस बिजनेस हैज रियलाइज्ड मी टू थिंक ऑफ इवन फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम. नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम. एवरीबडी टॉक्स अबाउट. जब मैं जॉब की बात करती हूँ तो जहाँ पे सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट बोनस उसकी बात की जाती है बट नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम एंड हियर इन दिस बिजनेस I realize that how to achieve this financial freedom and how other people in this business, just like you and me, they are
Hmm.
achieving their time and financial freedom, and that's the real flex in these days of internet. Earlier we used to flex with buying a new car, new house, like going on vacations, but now
Hmm.
the new flex in these days in the age of internet, time and financial freedom is the biggest flex. And this is the business where you can achieve both the things together. I can say that the credit goes to the training, to automation system, to our community, mentorship, coaching, and top of everything, right mix of product and high ticket, affiliation with the high ticket product company.
Yeah, and definitely I would like to add one more in this, the community, because the people are so helpful
Yes,
here. And when you are a part of this community, you also adopt these values
yes,
in yourself,
yeah,
knowingly, unknowingly, because
yes, very true.
you will be working every day with such beautiful kind souls all day
Exactly.
long. So you
Yes,
adopt those values, and it creates a beautiful positive impact on
yeah.
not only your professional life but in personal life too.
Personal life as well. Sure, perfect.
So that, because that's what I feel a major difference in me. And uh, like I was not tech savvy. I was not because this online world was new to me. So I was not very confident when I was stepping into
Yeah,
it. But I pick up the things in just 1 2 months, and then, oh, okay, I can do it, and it really helps.
because everything is within your reach, right? You can
Yes,
reach out to your mentor, reach out to your coach, and if nobody is responding, you have the whole community of 200,000 people.
yes, absolutely.
So even this was my question when I have so many doubts.
Can
I
I do
asked
it?
that what if I have some issues, then to whom should I reach out? Is there any toll free number? Then she said, my number is a toll free number. You can use it as a toll free number anywhere. You can call me anywhere. You can call me anytime. You can
Oh,
reach out to not
unless
again me, and we
yeah.
have so many other people, and there is no harm in reaching out different people. You will definitely learn something.
Yes,
so
definitely.
so
And
that's
we
another
always,
biggest attraction in this business, that whenever we stuck somewhere, we have some issues, maybe technical or strategical decisions. If you want to take your diversity or expand your business, you have always mentor and coach available with
always
you to discuss all these
always
things.
there are people to
Yeah,
reach you out. I mean, they'll always, I mean, if see, sometimes it happens that if the mentor is busy or the coach is busy right now at the moment,
Yeah.
you can always reach out to the community members. We all are community members or in our private chat groups
Chat groups.
inside the community, and we always help each other 24 hours.
Yeah.
If I have a question
Yes.
in the night, 2 o'clock, Kruti will have answer me, because for her it is a daytime, whereas I
Yes.
have night time.
Night time.
So
Yeah.
this is how we connected, and
Yes.
we help each other all the time.
And it also shows, that how it is easy to connect with each other globally, because it's a global
Global,
business
global
and
business.
global reach, so we can connect people with very easily.
Yes, the way we are connected right now.
Yeah.
Canada and Germany.
Canada and Germany. Yes.
So, Kruti, please tell the first step what they need to do. Like, I'm flashing it on the screen. So please invite them for the webinar, since we
Yes,
have a
and today
webinar
especially is a webinar day.
today,
Yeah.
webinar day. So
So usually we have live webinar every Tuesday and Thursdays. So fortunately today is a webinar day, and for that you can register on any of our website. And once you register on website, we will send you a link to watch that webinar. And another thing, if you are busy too, and if you're not able to make it today, then we always have an option to send you the replay link as well. So you can watch that replay. Not only watch once, twice, or thrice, and then we always inspire you to have as many questions as you have, so that we always wanted you to have full information about the business, about anything, before taking any further decision or before going forward, because we never want you to be with the half informations, and then you will be surprised once you enter the business. Oh, this has not been told to us, this has been not disclosed while we were in the discussion time. So we always make sure, and that's why we always you can reach out to us, and we can definitely share all those informations through a Zoom call or through a messenger. But see, this is a business, and there is a wealth of informations that cannot be
it's
pass on to you just in few chats or few back and forth communication. And being a business owner, we always need to make sure that nothing should be missed out
mixed
from
up.
our side, right? And that's why we have a webinar, and that's a e-version of the business informations, where you can have the broad idea overview of what the business is all
Mm.
about. And
Mm.
in this webinar, you will also get a chance to see the testimonial of the people who are doing this business successfully, just like you and me. We all are the ordinary people. We all started with watching this webinar, so
Same here.
webinar is the first step to get into this, and we highly encourage you to watch the webinar. And watching webinar, asking to watch the webinar is just to maintain the standardization of the informations, because sometimes it may happen that while talking I may miss some important informations, and it should not be taken otherwise. That's why we always suggest you to go for the webinar first, and then we can have the rest of the discussions.
Yes, yes, beautifully answered. Yes, in this venture, basically the information is given step by step,
Yes.
only because you will understand the information very clearly, and
Yeah.
you will understand the uh, information accurately and clearly, and you need to follow those steps to get a clear picture what this business is all about, how it works, and all.
Yeah, so never ever hesitate to click on the link, because I also have some inquiries that people are hesitant to click on the link, that it might be a fake, or it might take away some important informations from your devices. But no, feel free to click on the link. This is just to maintain the standardization of the informations. And see, we all are humans, so even if it is not intentionally, but sometimes it may happen that, or it may happen that the way I'm talking to you, you take it otherwise, right? You are not taking the information the way I'm providing to you. So it's always to have the some standardized format to pass on those informations. That's the
Yes,
only reason we ask you for your email address, for your contact details sometimes, just to communicate about the business details.
Yes, absolutely. And
And while
90
we
minutes,
are also
90
working
minutes,
on different social media platforms, so we
yeah,
also have to follow so many
so
privacy
many rules and
policies
regulations.
that
Yes,
whenever we are asking for your emails or contact details, we have to agree in terms and conditions that we are not going to use this email ID for any other purpose except for this business. So feel free to share your email ID, feel free to share your contact details. It will be used for this purpose only, and you are safe.
yes, absolutely. And it's like every organization, whether it's a school, it's a college, it's a business, or it's any company, has
Yeah,
a certain process, right? So this
true.
business also has certain process to follow, and you have to follow. If I'm going in a school for admission of my child, I have to follow certain process of the school. I cannot tell, I cannot do that, I cannot do this. You have, if you, then school authorities will tell, this is our
Yes.
process, you have to follow it. If you don't want to follow it, it's your choice.
Yeah.
So if so, this is a process. So you have to follow that process. You have to trust ourselves. You have to follow that process and see if this is for you or not.
Yeah.
So, and of course, the webinar is of 90 minutes long. 90 minutes information we cannot give you in any chat, any voice message, any call.
Yeah.
It's not possible. So you have to go through that process to see what it's all about. So
Perfect.
feel free to click on our website. Our websites are flashing on the screen, and see yourself if this is something for you or not. Only when you watch the webinar, you will come to know if this is for you or not. We cannot decide that on behalf of you. So thank you,
Yes.
Kruti, for all your time. I really appreciate and grateful for that. And
Thank you so much.
enjoy your weekend, coming weekend, and
You
take
too.
care of yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you
And
so
yes,
much, everyone, for watching us. Yeah.
and yes, or I would like to say the same thing. Thank you so much, our viewers who are watching us, supporting us. Please let us know where you all are watching from.
Yeah.
We will be glad to know that. And I will be coming with my next guest in the next week in my episode Dream Comes True with Suvarna. Till that time, take care of yourself. Enjoy your time with your loved ones, because time is the most important thing. You will
Yeah.
not get it back. So enjoy your time with your loved ones for upcoming weekend, and see you. Bye bye. Sayonara. I'll see you in the next week with my next episode with another guest, my business partner.
Yeah.
Till that
Bye.
time,
Bye, everyone. Bye bye.
bye bye.